Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM/FM radio out of a 1978 Corvette. This comes from Norman in Beverly Hills, California, and it's going back to another customer of mine in Huntington Beach for installation. So we're here to make sure it all works before we send her out. This customer's requested the modern internal conversion for greatly increased output power and also the Bluetooth feature. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM to the one strong station I get.
Even though her numbers have taken a hit
There's
with the
our
Trump,
AM.
the MAGA voters.
So let's check our virtual balance of the fader.
Getting crushed. She's getting like 35% of the vote in South Carolina, about 20% of the vote
Front rear fader.
Republicans, the Republican primary.
Fader adjust.
Okay, we're going to need
So
our
you do the math. You
meters.
get 20% of Republicans, you get
All
like
the way
35%
front,
of independents, then
all the
you
way
get
rear.
Democrats that are really panicked
Front,
about Biden's age. And,
rear.
I don't think it's likely,
Okay,
but you could see
center.
the constituency there for someone.
Fader
set.
Or it's,
Okay. Left, right balance.
It's a moderate, more traditional.
balance adjust.
They
Okay.
can actually pick
All
up
the
some
way
Democrats
left.
concerned about
All the way
Biden's
right.
health. And by the way,
Left.
Biden's promoting Haley
Right.
a lot these days.
Okay.
The Biden campaign loves having Haley out there attacking Trump, but
Balance
Balance set.
yeah,
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
I don't think it's
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that? Okay, let's move over to FM, and I've got all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
If you had the
Okay, now we're on FM.
You can trust. I'll give you.
Yep, that one drifted a little bit.
Things like hellfire, tarnation, and
928
my son, she put me
GO.
There we go.
For healthy animals.
to my fingers.
Okay, there we go.
No telling.
So that takes care of that. Everything's working. We got AM, FM, and Bluetooth, virtual balance, virtual fader, and all that cool stuff. Let's make sure the dial light comes on. And you can't see it, but I can. You can just barely see that pointer getting a little bit brighter as I press the button. So we're good to go here. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and look at my work order, that has all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time. So that'll save us quite a bit of time on the phone when you need to call me. You're welcome to call me, but I do prefer that you get on my website and read my work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because all the questions will be answered on the website and in the work order. And then after that, if you still need to call me, it's just maybe a few minutes instead of a 15-minute conversation. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Norm, for your business from California, and to Brent for installing this in Huntington Beach. And we'll see you guys next time.